Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox video, and today we're going to be doing another episode of checking out one of your guys' solar systems. So today we're on episode 124 now, I want to say 123, somewhere around there, but yeah, we have got one system to do today, and this one seems, from first glance, it seems to be an interesting one, as it is named Space Engine in Universe Sandbox 2, and it's uploaded by the user Scarao there. I hope I'm saying your name right, yeah, on Discord, so massive thank you to them for sending this in. And also, if you guys want to send in your own simulations for this series, make sure to either join my Discord server, link in the description, and you can upload your files in the chat there, or let me know the name of your simulation on the workshop down in the comments. But yeah, please note the Discord server is a way easier option, so yeah, please keep that in mind, that some comments I may not see, or they may just go into my spam box. Yeah, please keep that in mind. But yeah, we have got one system to do here from Scario. I hope I'm saying your name right. And yeah, Space Engine Universe Sandbox. Now I had to download it from a different place because it's actually too big to be downloaded on Discord. The file's too big, so this is going to be interesting. So let's go ahead and search it up. So Space Engine in Universe Sandbox. So let's see what they have prepared for us here. So this seems pretty interesting, so I'm very interested to see what we got here. Okay, this is not the final version of this add-on mod. It adds a lot of new stars and planimeters. So okay, so is it like a giant universe exploration thing, but in Universe Sandbox instead? Okay, so how does this work? So is it like a system, or okay? Oh, okay, no. So it looks like we got. Oh, okay. Now this is enormous then. Whoa. Okay, so that's pretty big. Okay, so we've got 250 objects in here, and it seems like we've got massive distances between these objects. But let's go all the way into the middle. Okay, so with our first object right here. So this is this star here. It's a Caitlin there. It's pretty large. It's custom coloured as well, so nice sort of shade of yellow there. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, there we go. So let's just see. So I'm guessing these are absolutely enormous distances. Okay, so we've got the first object here. So this is a custom version of Earth. Looking pretty cool, actually. Look at this. Whoa, the lighting in here seems to be pretty crazy, just due to the amount of stars, so we'll probably have to keep it on studio mode. But yeah, there is this custom modified version of Earth there. Is that actually got water on it, or is it just a custom tint? And then it looks like it does actually have some water on it there. But yeah, that's a pretty interesting looking Earth right there. So yeah, there we go. So there's an Earth. And then I'm guessing there's a cyan moon. Okay, so it's a cyan coloured moon here, looking pretty awesome indeed. So that's Earth and Moon. And I'm guessing this is supposed to represent the sun. So now if we zoom out very, very far, so this sun is actually in a binary with this star over here, so this blue star. And this also has a planet around it. So what have we got here? Okay, so we've got a gas giant. Seems to be pretty a nice sort of mix of colours on there as well. So more of a fiery, orangey sort of shaded object there. So yeah, there we go there. But yeah, so how far away is this from the other star then? So okay, now yeah, we have got massive distances here. So if we just open the object, maybe we can just see the exact thing. But yeah, that's a very, very big orbit. 160 million years to do its orbit. I mean, that's pretty crazy. Yeah, 1.6 million. Wow. So let's wait for the add menu to open. See, this is so slow now. Right, but yeah, there we go. So we can just see. Yeah, these are. It doesn't actually say anymore what the actual distance is. And then we can sort of see on the chart mode, I guess, actually. So we're in the AU. So yeah, but we're coming up to light years in size now. So that is absolutely crazy. But if we zoom all the way out, so now we're traveling multiple light years. So the next object, it's actually, look, you notice how the object in the top right dims as we get away from it. That's quite cool. Right, so where should we head next? I guess we'll go to this pink. So this is Big Arrow over here, so it's a pink coloured one. Whoa, that is very crazy to see. It's got insane stats, as we can see here, so absolutely mad luminosity. So how big is the zone on this guy? So if we zoom out, is the zone even visible? Okay, so yeah, it's a big one. Actually, no, we already saw it, didn't we? But yeah, there we go. So that's a very big zone. Wow. So there we go. Right, so all of these red orbits seems just like maybe a little glitchy in here. So I guess before we head to all those red ones, we'll go to what is over here. So we got another star here, and this has got a bunch of objects. Wow, this is really crazy made with all of the orbits and stuff we've got in here. So another crazy coloured star, and then we put labels on as well so we can see the objects. So we've got Mars Terra here, so a terraform sort of looking Mars. So zooming all the way here. So there we go. So it's a blue version of Mars, looking pretty interesting there. So yeah, there we go. That star's very close. But yeah, if we zoom out, now I'm zooming out really far here. So wow. These objects are pretty far apart. We've also got a Saturn V rocket there, tinted. Oh, whoa, look at this thing. What is going on at this object? Wow. That's a pretty crazy looking one indeed. Look at that. Wow. So, oh god, even with the lighting mode, all the shadow glitches going on just due to the amount of stars in here. It almost looks like a black hole from this angle, but yeah, there we go. So, I kind of want to get a look underneath this guy. So, studio. So, is it... Okay, so, wow. So, yeah, this thing is very bright. I mean, it's got a purple atmosphere, and then this is what is underneath. So, it's a very, very bright object with a very, very nice mix of green and cyan there. So, there we go. So, looking good. Right, so there we go. So let's zoom all the way out. Yeah, I'm really zooming a lot out between all these guys. So we've done that. Jupiter. Oh, crap. Okay, so we got this crazy rainbow looking Jupiter now. So yeah, there we go there. So you can see it's got the regular colours in, or regular Jupiter colours, and then they've added a ton more colours onto the top and bottom there. So yeah, there we go there. Any red spot? Doesn't look like there is, but yeah, there we go. So there's that Jupiter there. Then we have this object as well we've not checked out. So it's a very, very bright reflective object as well. Reminds me of my old custom Iris, actually. I didn't even know you could still get objects with reflectiveness like this. I mean, maybe it's because we're on studio mode, but oh my god, that looks insane like that. But yeah, maybe it's because we're on studio mode. It's making it extra reflective. But yeah, as far as I know, you couldn't get objects like reflective like that anymore. But yeah, there we go. So there's that one. We've got big banded next, so as the name sort of shows, it's got a lot of bands on it, as we can see here. Very, very funky colours, tons and tons of different shades in there. So an absolutely insane coloured one. Rightio. So there's that one. Pingling's planet. So this is a military sort of green looking object. Got some lime green shades in there as well. But yeah, there we go there. So looking cool. Right, so let's zoom all the way out. So then we've got red done here, but yeah, this is a very, very big system. So I'm guessing all of these 200 objects, maybe they are all just actually objects. There's no rings or anything in here. That's my guess. But yeah, we've got a nice red shaded object there. Right, so there we go. So zoom out again. Okay, so I think we've done all of these guys now. So yeah, we done that. Yep. So yeah, I think we are clear from that area. So we can zoom out from there. So then we've got a 100 solar mass black hole there. Anything orbs in the black hole? Yeah, we do. Oh, even more stuff. Wow. So there's so many objects in here. So okay, so we've got some more default looking objects here. Again, another reflective looking one. I don't even know how you do that anymore. So we've got some more. So another reflective one. And we've got Titans over here, which is a green Titan object, as we can see here. So yeah, there we go there. It looks like it's got the Titan texture underneath as well. So let's go ahead and... yeah, it is. Okay, cool. So zoom out again. But yeah, these distances we are going are absolutely crazy between all these stars. Okay, so we've done all of those ones. Oh, and now we have a brown dwarf out here. So it's a gas giant in like a palish reddish colour. And this has got a ton of stuff. Look at all these objects. Wow. I may get lost just trying to navigate around here. There's so many. Right. So we have got this object here. So that's a little mini one. Then we got these ones. See, I'm just going to hop and just leave them in the menu up here just so we can easier to get around. Since the objects are so far apart, I think it's just easier to just show them in the menu up here. But yeah, we've got quite a similarity between a lot of these as well. All the reflective white looking ones. But yeah, there's so many of them. Right, so we've got another coloured one there. We've got a green one. That one looks pretty cool. We'll get a closer look at this one actually. So let's zoom in on that. So yeah, there we go. This one looks really cool though with the black and the green on it. Wow. Well, it's more of a dark blue actually, but yeah, that looks awesome. It's got little patches of blue on it as well there, so yeah, really cool looking one indeed there. We've got Kurao over here, so that's another white one. So many of those white ones. Then we have this one here, Aquarium, or Aquaria, or however you say it. Aquarium. But yeah, there we go, so that's looking cool. Nice mix of like the golden looking colour with the white and the light blue as well there. Really, really like that. Then we've got this one, so there we go there. Then moving on as well, so there is another one. So there's a lot of rocky planets in here. Then we have a gas giant. So we've got a grey and green gas giant there. So really unique mix of colours on that. So yeah, there we go there. Then did we do this one as well? So then we have another rocky one with a nice sort of mix of shades of blue there. That's quite a nice looking one actually. So yeah, there we go. Looking good. Right, so now let's zoom all the way out again. Right, so it's a lot of finger exercise for me today, wheeling on my scroll wheel here. But yeah, there we go. So that is all of those. Okay, so what's that yellow trail? I wonder what that yellow trail. So this object here, I don't know, it's got a very strange trail. Trails? Okay, so it looks like it's been slingshotted from the brown dwarf, is my guess. Anything around it? So it's all by itself here. It's got a blue atmosphere. But yeah, there we go. So that's a very lone object just chilling out here in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, there we go. But now zooming out again. Okay, so we've done all of those. We're not being here yet. And there's an other star color. Whoa, okay, now that looks insane. Whoa, that looks very insane. Okay, I can't. Looking forward to seeing that. Okay, so now this one. Right, so we've got a bunch more objects in here. So some more. There's so many customized objects in here as well. Look at this. We've got a customized asteroid by the looks of it there. Okay, so these are all asteroids. This is an asteroid belt. Okay, then we have a planet in there as well. So yeah, there we go. This is really, really well made with all of the objects and all the giant stuff. Because usually once you start making multiple solar systems in one simulation, it does start to get very, very laggy. But this is running very, very well at the moment. I'm impressed with this. So yeah, there we go. But yeah, usually when you make just objects, especially at extreme distances as well, it's insane how well this is running. We're not having any lag, no lag spikes, anything. So good stuff. Got nice yellow gas giant there, banana as well. Then we've got some more reddish looking object here. Yeah, this is cool. But yeah, I'm just going to quickly just try and click through all of these so we can hopefully see them all. I apologise if I miss anything, but yeah, there is a lot in here, so I wouldn't be surprised if I may have missed one already or not. But yeah, there we go. But yeah, there's so many in here. This is really cool. And then we've got another whole little system bit here as well. This is insane. Well, that's a nice looking one actually. Let's get a zoom in on that. So Ice Terror 1. So it's mostly ocean by the looks of it under there. Yellow clouds, yellow atmosphere. Looking good. And then obviously onto the other objects. We've got some Voyager 2s around here as well. Ton of Voyager 2s. So yeah, there we go there. Then some more micro objects. There we go. So many Voyager 2s. Look at all this. So then we got some of the other planets as well. So there we go. Oh, that one's got a green trail. Anything else going on here? Oh, wow. Look at this. Nice green and black gas giant there. Look at that. That looks awesome. So yeah, there we go there. Very nice indeed. Then some more generic looking ones. Another gas giant over here. The blue and white one this time. So yeah, there we go. Sweet stuff indeed. Then we got some more Rockies out here. And then a bunch of Voyager 2s again. And yeah, there we go. So I think that is all of the objects around that one now. So where we're heading next. We've done those. Then we got this lone object out here, which is a frozen ice world. Universe Sandbox Channel LP. So this is a green moon. Yes, look at this. And this is in the middle of nowhere as well, just far away from everything. So yeah, there we go. So that's all of those guys done. There's also these puffs of like cloud or fragments here. So these are pretty large in size. Radius 123 AU. So these are insanely large. There we go. But now heading on to this other star color. Let's get a closer look at this. So it's at minus 270. So it's not got any temperature. But this thing is insane. If we've gone realistic. Oh my god, that looks very pretty and very, very alien for this game. I mean, that's not something you see in Universe Sandbox. I mean, look at this. This thing is crazy. Just the way it is. So we can see it's got obviously all different shades of colour underneath, but it's also very, very reflective. The shadow's only there because of the stars, but that's what it actually looks like. So just how reflective and bright that is, all the shades of colour it has. That is insane, that one there. Let's see the appearance. So that's all the colours it's got. It looks some very glitchy looking stuff going on here, but yeah, there we go. That's very awesome stuff. Then we got other star colours. There's two of those. Okay, so there's two of these. So this is the first one. So it looks to be the same object just with less bands by the looks of it there. So there's that one. It's also got a object orbiting it. So it's a it looks to be just a regular gas giant here. It's got star in the name, so maybe it was hot once, but the version of the game made it cool again, because I know they did ruin brown dwarf objects in the newer versions. Now we have purple star here, and this thing looks insane as well. I don't even know what sort of object that is. I mean, it's just strange. I mean, what is it? So it appears to be rocky, as it's only got iron. How large is it? So it's about the size of a planet, so that's a very, very, very strange object there. Then we have a planet or a dwarf planet orbiting it there. So it's pretty small. But yeah, there we go. So that's all of those guys. Yeah, and then other star 2, right? So there we go. So we're heading out from there. So where are we heading next? So I'm still scrolling out right now. There we go. Right, so we've done Mars Tour. We've done, have we done this one? So there we've got that one there. We've been to that star. Then we've got this nice Neptune blue looking one out here. So that's all lone. So these objects are just in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Very, very far away. Then we have a second one out here as well. So Plan Nemo 2. That looks to be a moon texture with an atmosphere and a bits of yellow on it. So yeah, there we go. That's definitely a moon right there. So there we go. Or Earth's moon anyway. But yeah, there we go there. Right, so where do we head now? So we started here. No, we didn't start here. No, oh my god, this is getting really confusing to navigate. But yeah, there we go. So this is definitely a challenge. So we got star by itself there. Then these have got some pretty insane numbers as well. Then we got this bluer star here, the all blue star. That looks pretty cool. Okay, so this has a little system of stuff as well. So there are the worlds. So there we go. And then Lanus is the last one here. So this is awesome, the way this is all set up. We haven't had anyone really do something like this before. I think we've had someone have maybe 2 or 3 stars or different solar systems. Remember, every single star has its own little solar system going on here. So yeah, look how many there is. I mean, this is awesome stuff. Right, okay, so yeah, okay, we started here. We've been to Big Arrow. We've done all the ones in the middle now. Okay, so now we're heading further out. So we've got these red objects over here. So these are red stars. Very red stars indeed. So there is 2 of those, and then this one's not really, it's still got the red trail, but it's more of a normal looking star there, red dwarf, by the looks of it. Then we got another star over here. Then we've got a green star. Oh, this is system's got everything. Then we've got a very, very dark blue star. Wow, look at this. So here it is. So this thing, oh wow, that is a very interesting shade. Let's see here. So that's the color it is. So there we go. Very interesting shade indeed. There we go. So now we got some of the planets. So we got the Raiden here. This is a very nice mix of green and yellows on it there. Then moving on to the next one. So Lapis Panna over here. So yeah, there we go. And then the last one over here, Destven, which is red, black, and white over here. So yeah, there we go. Right. So now we're heading even further out in this massive simulation now. I wonder how far across this is. I mean, there we go. I'm going to have to compare it to a galaxy or something at the end of this. Right, so now we're heading over here to this BS star. So, can we zoom in? Right, there we go. So we're going in a binary or orbit with this one as well. So there we go. So there is those guys. Right, now over here we've got another green star. So there's a lot of stars further out. I wonder if any of them have actually got some planets. Oh, it looks like we have on this one. So yeah, there we go. So here are the planets. Up here, so we've got some more generic looking ones. This one may be customized actually with that green band on it. There we go. Then another one out here, and then some even further out as well. So there are the last 2. So there are all of those. Okay, so this is insane stuff. Right, so then heading further out. Okay, so we did both of those. I think, did we do these? No, I don't think we did. Okay, so we've got another star there, an orange one, and this is in a binary with a giant pumpkin. That's a very, very big pumpkin there. It's almost the size of Jupiter. And then this pumpkin has a moon called Freedom here. And this one's got a nice blue atmosphere with some green surface. Bit of a light blue on the surface as well there too. So there we go. Right, so now let's head out again. So there we go. Right, so we've done that one. Okay, so now we're here. So this one appears to be a normal sun-coloured star. So the regular sort of white-looking colour there. And it is a lone star. It's a lot bigger than the sun with its stats though, so there we go. Right, so now we are heading to this one. So this, I think we're almost to the end of this now actually. So HR6825, any planets around here? Nope, that's just a lone as well. It's got some pretty high luminosity on it though. So there we go. Yeah, let's just see how long it takes to go around the middle. So oh, okay, yeah, this 5,900 light years from the center where this is. So that is... yeah, and 229 galactic years. So that is a very, very big number. So we're in the billions of years and all that. And then the last sort of 2 objects over here. Right, 18 Del B. That's quite a cool looking colour choice. Look at that. I really, really like the way the colours are chosen on this. I think that looks really cool. Yeah, I like that one. So that looks good. And then 18 Teller. I think I've seen an object with this name before. I'm pretty sure. Do I have this saved? 18. Or did I lose it in my data loss? I may have lost it. Dang. But yeah, I definitely had a gas giant with the same name that was very similar to the way this one looks once. Dang, I lost it though. Oh, well. But yeah, there we go. So there is that one. Right, so, and then I'm guessing that is it for the system. So this is very far out now. But yeah, there we go. So just for comparison, I want to compare this with a Milky Way. So let's see here. So where are Milky Way? Milky Way, where are you at? Let's get rid of that. There we go. Okay, Milky Way. So how big is it? Okay, so comparing it to the Milky Way, I mean, that is a reasonable chunk right there. I mean, it's obviously not as big as the Milky Way, but I mean, that's still quite a big chunk. Let's try and compare it to some of the clouds. So here we go. So we can see, so it's sort of the side of the clouds here. It's bigger than the small one, actually. Pinwheel, Just, yeah, not the size of that. We're not even the tri-place in IC1101. What about Messier? Okay, so it's coming up to the size of Messier 085 there. So yeah, pretty cool stuff indeed. What about this one as well? Okay, so it's way bigger than this yellow one. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, really interesting stuff indeed. And yeah, this is a very large set of stuff, as we can see. So yeah, very nice indeed. And again, a massive thank you to the curator. I'm actually before we continue, I'm just going to go ahead and reload it because we don't want to have those galaxies making it slow, because galaxies really do make it slow. But yeah, again, a massive thank you to the creator of this system who sent it in, the user Scar AO. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but yeah, a massive thank you to them for sending this in. So yeah, Scar AO there. And yeah, really interesting system and concept overall as well. So that was Space Engine in Universe Sandbox 2. So right, there we go. And yeah, like he said in that intro message there, it's not the final version. So we may see a future version of this down the road. I'm on the wrong simulation. But yeah, we may see a future version of this down the road, which will be pretty cool. So I definitely look forward to seeing that. But yeah, with that all out the way, guys, a massive thank you for watching today's video. And before we end off, let's get a comparison of all the objects like we normally do. So there we go. So the purple one is the biggest by far. So how large is it? So okay, that's probably that's bigger than the largest known stars by the looks of it there. So then going all the way down, I mean, that is a ton of objects. We've got the black hole there as well. But yeah, look how many of the reflective white objects there was. Look, there's a ton of them there. We'll go back on Studio just so we can see a little easier. But there's a ton of the white reflective ones, so we can see they make up the majority of the objects. So then there's those two customized moons. Then we had that Titans one. We've got the Mars Terra there. There's that insanely crazy purple star world. Then was the Earth. We saw that originally. I got to say, this one here is one of my favourites just because of how crazy looking it is. I like this one as well, the Raiden one. What else have we got here? So let's move further up. So yeah, a lot of it, as we can see, there's a ton of white worlds there. Then I really like the way this one looks as well. And I guess the this one as well, the tinted moon with the yellow atmosphere, I think that looks quite cool. And then moving on to the gas worlds, I really like the green and black one there as well. Yellow one as well, I really like that. And then where was the 18 Teller one? Oh, there it is. It's further up. So yeah, I do like that one as well, because I have seen one like that before too. But yeah, and then don't forget these guys as well. These guys, these other star color objects, these are absolutely insane. So there we go. And then out of the stars, I mean, they are just tints, but I do like the blue one, I like the green one, I like the red one. Basically all the custom stars, I think they look really awesome. But yeah, guys, with that all out the way, guys, a massive thank you again for watching today's video. And yeah, make sure to hit that like button. Let's see if we can go for 40 likes on today's video, and also subscribe if you're new. Helps on the journey to 14,000 subscribers now, as we did hit 13,000 the other day. So again, a massive thank you for that as well. Absolutely awesome stuff, and yeah, I really appreciate it, guys. But yeah, with that all out the way, make sure you all have a great day, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.